Okay, class, today we are going to learn about part B, and if you remember previous lectures, we learned about part A, and we solved 3 examples, and we hope that it is my hope that when you meet questions under x-axis, I mean reflection under x-axis, it will be simple for you to solve it according to my previous lecture. So today let us see part B, reflection under y-axis. Previous lecture we learned reflection at x-axis. So today we are going to see when reflection takes place at the y-axis, at this area or at this area. So this is a y-axis and this is x-axis. So reflection at y-axis means object is placed from this line to this line or from this line to this line. So it depends on the nature of the given object. So let's say our object is placed from here to here, means this is our object. Now this is object, let's say object, and it must formulate image at this opposite side. So this will be the image of this object formulated at the line y-axis. So means this object is placed from this line to this line or transformed from this place to this place, means it must formulating a 90 degrees angles, a 90 degree angles from here to here to this line, or from this point to this point. So it must be formulating a 90 degree angle. So it is not common that objective will be displaced at this side. Sometimes it will be displaced at this downward side. So it is depend on the nature of the given object, as I say. So the point here is to note that we are going to start or commence a new part. It is part B, reflection under y-axis. And keep in your mind, take it in your minds that reflection under x-axis, always the angle of displacement or angle of reflection will be equal to 90 degrees. As we see here, the object is transformed from here to here, it formulates a 90 degrees. So the angle of reflection will be 90 degrees. Take it in your brain. So let us see example. Our example 1 displays that, or give us instruction that find the image of 2, 3 after reflection on the y-axis. So solution, we know that as I said, under y-axis our angle of reflection is equal to 90 degrees. So from the general formula that xy y dash equal to cos 2 theta, this is 2 theta sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta negative cos 2 theta multiplied by object x dash. So we have given object 2, 3. So object we have already object. So x dash y dash will be equal to cos 2 theta, our theta is equal to 90, sine 2 theta, our theta is equal to 90 degrees. Sine 2 theta, our theta is equal to 90, negative cos 2 theta, theta is equal to 90. Multiply by object x dash, object is equal to 2, 3. So after that, make a simplify it, is equal to, here now is cos 1/8 sine 1/8 sine 1/8 negative cos 1/8 multiplied by object 2, 3. So by the use of 4-figure or calculator, our mini scientific calculator, cos 180, let's keep here, cos 180 is equal to negative 1, and the sine 180 equal to 0. So cos 180 is equal to -1. So our final result, when we proceed, we get cos 180 is equal to -1, sin 180 is equal to 0. Sin 180 is equal to 0, and here there is a negative, but cos 180 is equal to -1. There is negative by general formula and negative by, cos this one. So multiply by object 2, 3. So when we proceed, we get x dash y dash equal to, by concept of multiplication, here we can get 1, 0, 0, positive 1. Negative times negative means positive. 2, 3. Okay. So now let us proceed with these questions. We end up with this area, and we get, when we proceed, we get x dash y dash equal to, by the concept of a matrix, you are supposed to multiply corresponding elements. Corresponding element of this rows times column, by this way. Take 1 times 2, this is matrix concept. 1 times 2, -1 times 2, -1 times 2, plus 0 times 3, 0 times 3, 0 times 2, 0 times 2, plus 1 times 3, 1 times 3. So now, when you proceed, you get x dash y dash equal to -1 times 2 is equal to -2, plus 0 times 3 is equal to 0, and 0 times 2 is equal to 0. 1 times 3 plus 3. So x dash y dash equal to -2, 3. So this is the required image or required solution of our example 1 above. So this is a required solution, that the image, conclusion, the image x dash y dash indicating image is equal to -2, 3. So this is the final result.